Well, lots of action as well within the primary markets as Kalyan Jewellers IPO opens for subscription on 16th of March at a price band of 86 to 87 rupees per share. Let's connect with the management to talk a little bit more about their growth prospects as well as fundraising plans. Ramesh Kalyanraman, the Executive Director of Kalyan Jewellers, now joins in on the show. Thanks so much for taking time out and joining in. To begin with, tell us about the amount that has been raised by the OFS and the fresh issue, and what exactly is this funds going to be utilized toward?
So, Kalyan Jewellers IPO is 1175 crore, out of which 800 is primary and 375 crore is secondary. The 800 crore primary, as per the RHP, is predominantly for working capital.
What are the key value and propositions of Kalyan, the product, as well as for the IPO, and what are some of the plans ahead for the company?
So Kalyan Jewellers is one of the most trusted jeweler in this country now. The core values of the brand itself is trust and transparency. We have been behaving extremely hyperlocal right since inception. Hyperlocal, I mean that the inventory, the way the brand is portrayed, the way we communicate through advertisements, everything is hyperlocal, and it is very rare to see a trusted hyperlocal jeweler in this country. And also we have a unique My Kalyan marketing tool, which is a service center. It is a neighborhood store which is spread across the rural and semi-urban India. We have more than 750 My Kalyan centers across this country, which is right in the rural and semi-urban India, wherein customers are directly interacted and they are converted to Kalyan Jewellers customer. So these are the three main pillars or the strengths of this brand.
In terms of the performance so far, how would you describe it, and also what are you expecting now going forward?
So the current year, all of us know that Q1 was almost a kind of zero revenue because the showrooms were closed across India as well as Middle East. But after that, people started coming back. So the revenue performance post-COVID is very similar to the industry reports which you read, and it has been the COVID comeback for this industry has been very good.
And due to COVID, discretionary spends as well were under pressure. Are you back to pre-COVID levels now?
Yeah, so if you look at industry reports, the COVID comeback has been very positive. There are majorly one or two changes which has happened post-COVID. One is that the shift from unorganized to organized, the scale has improved considerably because, first of all, customers want to come to standalone stores like Kalyan. That is the first reason. They don't want to go to crowded streets or small shops because of hygiene reasons, especially in this COVID time. The second thing is that when you look at a wedding, there are a lot of wedding-related expenses like F&B or marriage halls, the wedding cards, etc. Now you know that we have a limit on the number of attendees. People are not calling. The number of attendees which people are inviting are considerably less than before, and all those savings are coming to jewelry is what we understand, and that is what the industry report also says.
Now, at present, the organized retail is about 30% of the jewelry industry, of which you have about a 6% market share. How do you plan on improving your market share going forward?
Yeah, no, unorganized to organized, there is an organic shift from unorganized to organized. And again, Kalyan Jewellers, if you see, we are a very hyperlocal brand, and we are there in the roots because we have the My Kalyan centers also spread across the rural India. So if you look at Kalyan, will of course have an advantage when this shift is amplified. So that is where we are looking forward.
And given that at present nearly 50% of your stores are in South India and they generate a revenue of about 52% of the total pie, what are the expansion plans for this region?
At Kalyan Jewellers, today we start our journey from South India, and that is why the number of showrooms are more in South when you compare to outside South. But now we are spread across 21 states in this country. As a brand, we are established brand everywhere, almost everywhere in this country today. So now for the future, it will be just leveraging for what we have done till today. May it be the branding, may it be the customer base which we have created. We have created a very good purchase ecosystem as well. So it is only leveraging what we have done, including the My Kalyan centers, that will be the advantage for this brand.
Okay. What are the initiatives as well that the company has taken to adapt to the digital world?
So digital marketing and marketing, of course, all of us know that when you compare for the past 5 years and today, digital marketing is playing a very important role. And especially for brands like Kalyan, wherein we are a very hyper-local brand. So on a national platform, we might go for a national campaign, but on a regional campaign or micro marketing, the digital really helps us to go and market exactly what you want to the exact set of people where it has to reach. So digital marketing is really taking a very good share of our marketing budget today. And we see that it's going to be like that. And that is what we see about digital marketing.